seeds of knowledge will grow from our time together.
Who is she? What does she want?
Oh, my birds. The cage has found you.
I found a locked door.
I will hunt and destroy.
The infection started. Gotta be careful.
I'm surprised it took you that long to find. I made that one easy for you.
I might be able to see
This
something.
is my domain. The bliss of murder. The relief.
I found a locked door.
The soaring ecstasy. The shedding another's blood.
Not feeling so good here.
The bliss of murder. The relief. The soaring ecstasy of shedding another's blood.
I tremble in fear at your mighty.
A key to open the path to further danger.
Healing spray loaded.
Our eyes made to be torn out, and hearts for the same purpose.
Door is locked.
Is made to be torn out, and hearts for the same purpose.
Disabling.
Disappointment could be a variable in the efficacy of the virus. How do you feel? Fear can blind you.
Here, I'll find it.
This is only the first step.
Get your eyes off me. Probably gonna die here.
Initiating the next
Everyone feeling
test
better?
phase.
Healing spray deployed. Get near me and I'll heal you.
I will crush you.
Doing it. There's gotta be something useful here.
With this strength, your fate is sealed.
Gotta take
There's no escape for you now. See what science can give us. Why do you still resist me?
Infections.
I'm so scared. My hearing is... I can't... Almost releasing. Hey, looky, Lou. Turn off the camera.
Destroying your home is part of the test.
You're gonna love this. Huh. Check this out. I don't like being watched. Not feeling so good.
The infection started.
This will be the end of you. But do not let me harm you. You will still die.
Oh my. I'm not doing so well here.
That was not ideal.
Definitely feeling better.
This strength, your fate is sealed. Aren't our eyes made to be torn out? And hearts for the same purpose.
Group up for healing.
Aren't our eyes made
I
to
might
be
be able to
torn
do
out?
something.
And hearts for the same
Not feeling
purpose.
so good here.
Stop watching us.
The soaring ecstasy, shedding another's blood.
Hey, looky, Lou. Turning off the camera.
We've been growing something special, just such as these. Enjoy.
Starting something useful. Well, this is no good.
I will crush you.
Hey, over here! Let's move!
This is quite Continue then, but it won't be for much longer.
Can't hit me. Not even close.
Let's focus on getting out quick.
You have the honor of being the first to witness the completion of a new research project.
I'm so scared. My hearing is acute. I hear everyone's bowels releasing.
With this strength, your fate is sealed.
Check
Yes, this data is
Get near me
intriguing.
and I'll kill you.
Destroying your heart is one test. I want to see your fear firsthand. Faster! Allow your fear to control you. The seed cast onto stone will never be. And so too, my research was wasted in your pitiful blood.